All right, so I have a really hard time keeping vegetables fresh. I try to use it up and we try to use them as quickly as possible. I'm usually pretty good about it, but one vegetable that I have a hard time keeping fresh is cilantro. I would buy it and I use it on a lot of things. I use it on fried rice, I use it in stir fry, I use it in salsa, things like that. You know, it'll just be a few days before I make those things sometimes, and after maybe 4 or 5 days, it's just lost either moisture or it's just gone bad. I saw my wife put up the cilantro this last time we went shopping, and she did something interesting that I'd never seen before. I guess she saw it somewhere and gave it a shot, and we've probably had the cilantro for about 2 weeks now, and it's amazing the result now with the cilantro. So just wanted to show you guys what it was, and it's this. Look at that beautiful cilantro. It's she just took a jar, put water in it, and then stuck it in there, and it's actually been growing in our refrigerator. And I can just take these, you know, stalk at a time and cut it up, throw it back in the fridge, and not worry about it. So again, it's fresh as ever, and I just wanted to share that. I love having a smart wife. Yeah, it's the cilantro hack. Nice.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Progress Not Perfection.
Woohoo! Yeah!